So I used to get my brush kits from Lowe's, and then I got there and they switched to the store brand. So I'm going to show you why this kit is the best kit you could get, and there'll be a link down below for the link for Amazon if you want to get it yourself to clean your dryer vent the best way you can. So let's see what's inside this kit. So the kit comes with 4 of these rods and then 3 of these attachments. And then I also bought this extension kit, which gives me 4 more. These are all 3 feet long. So do the math, how high is your roof, or if it goes out the side, do a rough math and just make sure you get more instead of less so you can reach the top. So why is this kit the best? Number 1 is the 3-foot rods. A lot of them come with 2 feet rods or even 1-foot rod, and then it's going to take a lot longer because you're going to have to keep attaching these attachments. The way that they get attached is that they're threaded on. So this one gets threaded on to there, and that's how they extend. So if you get ones that are 1 foot or 2 foot, it's going to take you forever to get to the top of your dryer vent. Next thing is these ones are very flexible. Some of the dryer vents have a lot of 90-degree turns and big turns. These ones will be able to get through those tough situations. Next is there's a lot of these kits on Amazon, but they're not all the same. These things, these rivets could get loose and then they'll just spin and the brush won't spin. Also, these threads, the threads could get worn out. So if you get a bad quality one, the threads will wear out easily. And then again, it will keep spinning and your brush will not turn. So that is one thing. The rod quality is the best. Next is the actual brush itself. This one looks different than the other ones that you can get on Amazon. They're more thicker, but this one is specifically designed to clear out dryer vent clogs. The way that it's angled and the size of it fits perfectly in the dryer vent to clean it. And also, this brush is held on with a screw with this Allen key, so you won't lose the brush. A lot of times people are trying to do it themselves, and the brush falls off, and then you got a new problem. This is the strongest connection that the brush could be, so you won't lose your brush. Next is it comes with this. This is an auger. A lot of times there'll be a big wet clog. It'll be like cement. So the auger will get in there and poke a hole in it so that the air can get behind it so that your vent can get clean. You punch a hole in it, air gets behind it, and the big clog comes out. This thing is a lifesaver. Make sure your kit comes with an auger, a nice metal auger, and make sure you tighten this bolt good because it could become undone. Next is this brush. This is essential for cleaning the inside of the lint trap, which is very important. It threads on. Now you have a long reach with this brush to get the inside. Also, if you happen to have a smaller vent, like a 3-inch instead of a 4-inch, this brush is perfect for that. Next is this. One of the most important parts is this attachment. This allows you to connect it to the dryer vent on the wall, and your vacuum goes in here, and your brush goes in here. It also comes with a reducer if you're using a smaller shop vac. I recently made a video where I used this kit with a regular household vacuum. All I had to do to make it fit was some paper towel and tape, stuck that in there, and I was able to get the small vacuum attachment on here, get a nice good seal, and was able to clean the vent. This kit is the only kit I would recommend as a professional dryer vent cleaner. It's the only one I will use, and click the link down below to get yourself one at the most affordable price. Thank you.